Hello everyone, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see how we can do the isometric drawings in Revit and how do we annotate them in the 3D view. So make sure that you are in 3D and make sure that the section boxes are enabled, and wherever that you wanted to make an isometric view, you make sure that the section box is created and you make sure that the isometric direction that you wanted to pick it in. So I'm making this direction and you can have wherever you need. And the important thing is that we have to go ahead and lock the 3D view. That is the main thing that we have to do. Save the orientation and lock view. So 3D isometric. Once this is done, you will be able to zoom in and zoom out. You won't be able to rotate. Now you can do the set work plane option and the dimension where you want it to be, and set the work plane. Pick a plane. I wanted that in this wall. Make sure this wall is highlighted. Take the dimension under the annotation tab, align dimension from the wall here to this position and to here to the edge. I can place it anywhere that I need it, and I make sure that in the visibility graphics VG annotation, and I can go ahead and enable the dimension. Okay, now we have the dimension where we want it to be, so we can move it wherever we need. We can align them however we need it, and if you need it in the other side, we can make sure that the set work plane done on the other side as well. For example, set work plane, pick a plane. Okay, and we can pick a plane on the face of the floor and take the dimension of DI is the shortcut, and we can go from the wall edge of this element like this. Maybe for the drain, how far the drain is there. I'll place it here, and I can go ahead and change the scale value. So this is how you'll be able to make your dimensions, and the only thing is that you won't be able to rotate by holding the shift key. So do let me know. This is a user-based question. So if you are watching this and you wanted to know some related tool in Revit, do let us know in the comment. We will be able to reply back you with a video. And do subscribe and hype the video. There is a new feature in Revit, in YouTube, I'm sorry, and we will be able to populate YouTube all across the BIM learners. Thank you so much.